Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video, we'll discuss about the test questions which were conducted by the Warrous Pvt Ltd. So the test is currently live, so it is started from today. So you can go and take up the challenge, and the test is live. So in this video, we'll discuss about the test pattern, MCQ questions, programming question, as well as the coding, as well as the SQL coding for the same. If you haven't registered till now, you can directly register and take up the challenge. So this challenge, it will end on 29th. So make sure you take the challenge by tomorrow. And the test platform is on Hacker Earth. And so the round one, like online assessment, which is divided into three different parts. So the first section, like there will be 10 MCQs, and the second thing is one programming question, that's coding, and the third, it's a SQL programming, and the total marks or the score for this is 113. So we'll discuss about the MCQs, then programming question, as well as the SQL coding. So MCQ questions, like most of the questions, they were on the Databricks, and some questions were on the pandas and the keras, and some question on CI or CD pipeline, and then some on scenario based questions, as well as Azure Data Factory. So most were like simple MCQ questions. So most of the questions were from the Databricks. So if the complete MCQ questions, so it will be provided in the Telegram. So you can go to the questions, and you can answer those. And in this, we'll discuss about the coding question and the solution, as well as the SQL programming. So the programming question, it was on the binary transformation queries. So like you'll be given an array of n integers, the positive integers, as well as q queries. Like each query, it will find the number of elements in a given range, and this can be transformed into a target value. So you need to perform k-bit operations, and this bit operation, it allows either a set of bit from 0 to 1, or it will reset a bit from 1 to 0 at any position. So this transformation, it is possible if the number, if it is differing bits between the source number and the target number, and it must equal to k bits, and your task is that you need to implement the function, so process query. So you need to complete the function, so the process queries, which will handle the range queries on the array, and you need to return the result. So this is the coding question, and then so this is the solution for this. Like the complete method will be there. You just need to write the complete the implementation for this. So this is the solution for this coding question, and here you can see all the test cases are passed, and this particular code, it was written in the Java. So the code remains the same. You can use any of the programming language to code. So this was the coding question and the solution. And coming to the SQL question, so it was on employee performance evaluation, and the marks was 50 marks for this. And the SQL query, it is like you'll be given three tables, that is employee table, project, and the employee project table. And all these tables, it contains the details of different employees and the projects. And like your task is that you need to write a query to find the total hours worked, and their average evaluation score, and the project count for each employee. And also you need to order them based on the average evaluation score. It should be in the descending order, and their names, it should be in the ascending order. So also they have mentioned you need to ensure that there is a proper decimal formatting, that is 2 decimal places for the average scores, and also you need to account for the null values in the calculations. So this is the SQL coding question and the solution for the same. So this is written in my SQL, And for this also, like all test cases are passed, you can go through this solution and you can practice on the same. So the questions will be same like all MCQ questions, programming and the SQL coding. So like if you need the complete solution of this MCQ questions and the programming and the SQL, so you can comment in the video, and also you can join the Telegram group. So the complete questions and the solution for the same, it will be provided there. So these are the details about this challenge. So make sure you take the challenge before it ends, so you can take up that. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe the channel for more updates.